What we want to do is create a demo on how to screencast your screen, whatever's on your screen, and then be able to quickly share it to the kids. It could be embedded into Canvas. You could dump it into Google Classroom, but it also saves directly to Google Drive after you're finished. So wherever you want to put this video after the fact, Screencastify makes it super easy. To begin, you want to go to screencastify.com, upper right, click Add to Chrome. And click blue, Add to Chrome. Add the extension. It takes a few moments and it will show up over here. There we go. And now we're almost ready to go. Before you start shooting your video, you want to make sure whatever material you need is already queued up in a tab or ready to go on your desktop, like a Word document, whatever it may be. But I have the all-important ice cream queued up here. So I've got the ice cream site ready to go here, and I want to record something to share with the students. So my materials are ready. Now I'm going to click on the little arrow in the upper right. It's going to load it for the first time and say, yep, you want to sign in with a Google account and use your school Google account to do this. Keep these on, so camera, microphone, drawing tools, they're going to be important later, or potentially could be. Now it's really easy though to click deny because it's lit up, but click allow. And occasionally up here you're going to get another thing that says allow. Make sure you allow Chrome to record your screen. Now that we're ready to go, I want to go back to the thing I want to share with the kids. Click the arrow. What I want to do is record the whole desktop, and I want to make sure the microphone's on. I could click select, but it should just automatically default to the microphone in the computer, or if you have something connected like I do. Click record. Click the whole entire screen. You have to click it and then click share. So you're sharing the screen with Screencastify, gives you a countdown, and now we're recording. Down here are some tools. You can get rid of them or hide the tools. But for example, here's a simple pen. So I could say, kids, when you get to this, you're going to want to click shop now, grab your parents' credit card, and start ordering some sweet ice cream. I'm going to click the little eraser. I could erase it if I wanted to, hide the tools if I needed to. Now that I'm done recording, I'm going to click stop sharing. You could show around or just skip the tour. I'm going to close this little rating thing for the time being. So now on the far right hand side, it shows that it's already been loaded to Google Drive. Let me show you where that is in a moment. Share it to Classroom, publish to the YouTube, or go ahead and get the embed code and slap it somewhere such as Canvas. You can do the same thing, load it to YouTube and then put it in Canvas. You can get the shareable link and just email it to the kids straight away. So it's going to be up to you and how you want to share it, but that's the process from beginning to end. But if I take a look in my drive, here's the video that we just created together. So in a nutshell, that's it.